Never be afraid to take flight. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 3 charity game. This shoe is based off of the 1988 Magic Johnson Midsummer's Night Magic charity game, which was a charity game that Magic Johnson held every year for a couple years. And in 1988, Mike had scored 54 points in the game. This shoe was supposed to be based off the jerseys that Michael Jordan had wore, but Michael Jordan had wore a blue jersey in the 88 game. He did wear a white jersey in, I believe, 89, either 89 or 90, but it wasn't exactly like this colorway anyway. This shoe is also a part of the Air Jordan International pack, which includes an Air Jordan 12. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is a royal blue box with the gold Air Jordan International logo right on the top. And you got the Jumpman logo on the side panel. And the colorway is Seale, Sport Royal, and Light Bone. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly Seale tumble leather upper with Sport Royal, Varsity Red, and bone detailing. Taking a look at the toe, you have a light bone elephant print toe box with the Seale toe cap, and this is tumble leather. Moving towards the tongue, you have a suede tongue, and it's got the perforations going up the shoe, and this is all bone. And on the tongue tag, you've got the Jumpman logo, as well as Michael Jordan's signature on the left shoe. For the sock liner, you've got this kind of star graphic, and it extends all throughout the sock liner. On the insole, you have the Air Jordan International logo in white on a red insole. For the lateral, you got the Seale tumble leather upper, as well as the suede perforations, which have the eye stays on it, and these are hyper royal. For the heel, you've got the bone elephant print heel, as well as the white back tab, and the royal blue Jumpman. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the Seale upper, as well as the suede panel with the eye stays on it. The midsole is royal blue and red, as well as the white detailing on the medial side. And you've got the red, white, and blue outsole. I'm in love with this colorway. Like, the combination of red, white, and blue with the bone detailing makes for an amazing colorway. And I don't have much criticism for the shoe. The tumble leather is solid, as is the bone like the bone elephant print looks so nice. I do have 3 gripes with the shoe though. The first is the fact that there's no Nike Air logo on the back tab. The second is the fact that they have the signature on the left shoe. It's just kind of distracting, especially since they don't have it on both shoes. It's kind of one of those things where either you have it on both shoes or you don't. It looks kind of weird if you're walking around with a shoe that's been autographed, although it's a Tampograph autograph, it's not a real autograph. And also, there's no hang tag. That's kind of of all the details, that's the smallest, but I do wish that they had a small special hang tag for the shoe. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Air Jordan 3 charity game hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 30th for a retail price of $190. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.